fine man. Obimu. Hey, good to see you. Hey, Nenu kiss the sweat. Don't worry, let me clean.
Stop. What's the meaning of this?
Let me clean the sweat.
No, don't clean it for me. I've told you to stop all these things you do. Stop it. Alright? I'm not interested. Stop.
Obi, look at what you're saying. How can you say you're not interested? I'm a fine woman. See, let me tell you, I am going to get the scholarship. And I know if I get the scholarship now, you will love me where.
Do you think I love someone because of her intelligence or because she has a scholarship? Is that what you think? I told him came the same thing. It's not about that. Alright? It's not.
Hey, see, Obina. I'm going to make money. I will become a big woman, even better than Nkem. What's her name? Osonwa. They don't reach me anywhere. I just they take and small.
Ijoma, I don't care. Those are none of my business. Okay. Alright? No matter how hard you try, I'm not going to fall for you. Okay. It's better you know this and know the truth.
Obina zukwanike kekpere penisi gị rụọ ọrụ zukwanike Obina lenu nwoke nunu elekwenu nwunye gị nunu obi mu. Hey,
can you stop? Machina, have you now?
Hey.
Huh? No.
Sorry, should I help you? Wait, what did I just see? Fish. Wait, I hope Obinna did not go to the sacred river to go and take fish. Hey! Ojukwalese, if he went there to take this fish, hey! His own is finished. But I need to be sure. I need to make this sure. Let me go and look.
Hey.
Obinna.
Tom, how you doing?
You sent for me?
Yes. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
I have a surprise for you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
A fish?
Yes.
Obinna, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's really big.
Yes, you know, after all you've been through, I thought it's necessary you enjoy yourself a little. At least you go and make fresh fish pepper soup.
Sure, fresh fish. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I have good news for you too.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you guess?
I'm not good with guesses.
Okay, so I got admission into the best school in our state.
What?
Yes.
Wow, that's huge. Oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
I can't wait to tell my parents.
Yeah, you should tell your parents.
Yeah.
And you know, since Onoru's son is taking care of your school fees, I would like to help. Buy your school materials for you, everything.
Wait. Obinna, where do you plan to get that kind of money?
Don't worry about that. I would find a way. At least my bike is the hottest in town. I'm going to hustle with this and make sure I get everything you need.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Obinna. I really appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead and tell your
my parents. I need to run along now.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Let me.
What of the fish?
Yes, let me bring it back for you. Hold on.
Should I help you with the bike?
No, don't worry. Fine. Yeah.
For me?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Obinna.
You're
God
welcome.
bless you. I need to go along now.
All right.
Bye.
Bye, yeah?
See you around.
Hey. See my fine wife.
Usonwa. Wait, Chekwero. Usonwa.
Yes?
Yeah. You went to the sacred river to go and carry fish.
Sacred River, ke?
Hey! You don't know it's a taboo? Imarana abomination!
Oh, Obina gave this to me. I said,
Hey! Villagers, Otango, you're here. Oh. See me, see trouble. Oh. This stupid girl has gone to carry fish. Oh. Look at it, from the river.
Obina gave this to me. Obina, my friend, gave me this.
Obina gave it to you. Hey! I'm telling you.
I said Obina gave it to me. Why should I lie to you?
Obina gave it to you. And you're the one carrying it. How did Obina give it to you? I am seeing you carrying it. From the second river, you are looking at her.
I said Obina gave it to me. Obina gave this fish to me.
Come back.
Yeah, Obina gave this to me.
Who's Obina? You can't deceive us.
She cannot deceive you.
Villagers,
I said Obina gave it to me. Obina gave it to me. You can call Obina and ask him.
You're here.
Come and bring this fish and get out of here. You're going to the village there. Give her the fish. Move it.
My friend.
I saw you. What are you saying?
Obina gave it to me.
Obina gave what to you?
Obina gave it to me.
Get out of here. Obina gave it. Look at her. Obina gave you the fish. Obina gave you the. You never see anything. If you get to God, you will see. I saw it with my 2 eyes. Oh, who you by using our fish to do loving? You will see today.
That's how I see it. But that's what it is.
Yeah, and so it's okay. And now look at the weather. The weather is dropping gradually. Our daughter is not yet back.
Yeah.
What could be keeping her? She was excited when she was going to get her results.
Don't worry yourself. Someone will soon be here. You know what the village is like. The villagers, somebody must have stopped her to say 1 or 2 things. Or maybe it's that boy that I started seeing her with.
You mean Obina?
Obina.
It's okay, we'll let it be. This is the first time I'm seeing her with a boy.
That is it now. You just reminded me of old good days. I'll get it.
I get you.
What is it? What is it?
You need to come with me quickly.
For what?
Usowa has been arrested.
What?
What happened?
What did she do?
They say she fished from the sacred river.
Hi! Not my daughter.
The villagers accused her for defiling it.
My daughter cannot do this. Not Usonwa. Usonwa cannot do this.
What is happening?
You need to come with me because they are taking her to the village square.
This is not the time to start talking that. Let us go.
Okay.
Let us go.
Let's go.
This is getting...
Hey.
Obina, where did you get that fish from?
Oh no, I bought it from the market. I didn't get it from any river.
Yes.
Oh no, Obina Babashi. Obina Inebento. You can lie for Africa. See, if you touch me, I'll slap you. How? Oh no, he's lying. I saw him with my 2 koro eyes. You cannot deny it.
You saw me on the bike.
It's all right. Do you have any proof? Or better still, did some other person see them?
Oh no, which one is this? Somebody, so I brought them mad. I am not enough to see people, some these people. I swear, oh no, see my leg is on the ground.
And they are coming towards the river.
I am not lying. I saw Obina with the fish. I did as if I did not see him. So that he will go. Next thing, and I saw both of them doing with our fish. Okay, now, to bust your bubble. Oh no, if you think I'm lying, come and smell Obina's body. See it. His body is smelling our river. Obina knows someone they are using our fish to do love.
It's all right.
Stupid living things.
Be that as it may, we cannot condemn someone to death without a solid proof. The evidence is circumstantial, but we cannot release them without them being tested. Yes, we are going to test them.
Oh no, please, this is unjust. Obina and someone are good people. Don't do this to them.
Stupid thing, we never chop food. You're here talking.
I should find like this.
It's all right. They will take them to the evil forest where they will spend the night. And if they want to wake up in morning or hot, then they will be good to go. Apart from that, there's no other thing we can do.
Joma, you need to say the truth. If you have any decency left in you, come out clean and tell the whole community that these children are innocent. It is not late. Huh? You can still do it.
Yeah, Mama and Sonwa, calm down. Eh? We will know the truth tomorrow. I don't feel about speed. By tomorrow, we will know if Obinna and Sonwa are really innocent. Calm down now. Here.
I've heard you. I will calm down. But I know why I am saying this. I know why I am lamenting. If these children happen to be innocent, your daughter here, Ichoma, will bear the consequences.
God forbid bad thing.
God forbid, though. God did not forbid when she accused them.
Yeah.
So, I am going. But before I leave, Ichoma, I don't want to see you an inch close to Usonwa, my daughter.
Hey.
Be warned.
You can have no rule like that.
Chukwu Ijeoma da alalukola, Mama. O nwere ike ịlalụla.
But I hope this is not one of these your useless tricks.
Papa, I know what I saw. I saw Obinna with the fish, with this my eye, with my kolo eye. I saw him.
Ijeoma, step forward.
Ha!
Mama Ijeoma, listen to what I want to say now. And listen attentively. Mirinsi. Ebarugo. Ishizone benine. But let me ask you for the final time. Are you sure of what you are saying? Ijeoma, are you sure of what you're saying? Because if by tomorrow we discover that you are lying, Ijeoma, I, Mwabunai, will be the first person to cast stone on you.
Papa, you think I'm surprised? I am not surprised. Imagine what you're saying. No, imagine what you're saying to your own daughter, your own child. Sometimes I wonder if you're really my father. How can you open your mouth and say, by mistake, if they find out that I am not innocent, I am lying, that you will push me in and cast the first stone?
Will you be quiet?
How can you even think of like that? Why will you be thinking like that, Papa? Why?
I have to think like that because you don't behave like a human being. Ijeoma, every day comes with a different story. Every day you wake up to continually causing this family heartache. Ijeoma, what type of a daughter are you? Listen and listen good. I promise you, and read my lips, if by tomorrow you are found culpable, I will make sure that you face the consequences of your action.
Okay.
The free funwa.
Okay.
Useless daughter.
But tomorrow It's okay.
Mommy Joma. Look at you.
Leave this girl alone now. Let tomorrow come first.
Did I even say your father? I am the man you are living with. Woman, talk to your daughter. Woman, talk to your daughter. Mommy Joma, talk to your daughter. You go baby once you wear.
It's again. Hey!
Mama! Mommy Joma, are you sure this man is my father? I am asking you because I don't understand. What kind of a man is this?
How can you be talking like this in front of your father?
Hey! No! Mba! Man talk like this. Mama, what are you even saying? How can my own father be suspecting me, telling me that if I am found guilty, he will give me in? I don't blame him. I don't. He begin a no better husband. You're here marrying this furefu, speaking English like he cannot even speak. Someone that did not go to school. He's there telling me I'm one of my uncle. It's in Pataka. When he's the person that I resemble. Obi it's in Pataka. Wherever that it's in Pataka, equals to it's Bonibo. Papa will have his talk with me. You say this someone my village people will now. Everybody will have it hot.
Ijoma, wait now. Wait for me. I'm calling you.
Eat. See, Nkem, please. I don't know why you're following me up and down. Ibijiji. Why are you following me like that now? I am not in the mood to talk. Biko, my father is getting on my last nerve. And he will not like it when I change it for him. He change it, your man like here.
Calm down now. I know you're angry, but this is not why I'm here. Sorry about that. Maniwe Wenage, I want to confirm something from you. That thing you said you saw about Obinando Sonwa. Aija, are you really sure about this thing or in a make here up? Just tell me I'm your friend.
Hey. Are you serious? I thought you're my friend. Allah no bim. The only person that will know if I do anyhow or change step. So even you don't believe me. Nkemu, you don't believe me. So, like, as big as I am now, I won't already come now with all this my breast. I will come and be lying. Or I am deaf or blind or what? I don't know what I saw. Is that what you're saying? So what are you trying to say? See, Nkem, I don't like this kind of thing. Adima like here. It means that you're a pretender kind of friendship. Yes, I know they like that kind of thing. I know what I saw. I saw Obina with the fish. He cannot deny it. He cannot deny it. He should come and deny it. Let me see.
IJC, it's not like I don't trust you. Mwa trust Rogi. You're my friend now. How will you be saying something like this? It's just that me, I'm scared. You know that if this thing turns out that it's not true, you will be in trouble and I will call it in trouble. That's why I said let me come and ask you. Obgodin or Burez, you could just confide in me.
Nkem, I like the way you're looking at me. Imiya fambo, abomo ikukwa manoya. Adema tojo. Adema told. Adema etimo wana kwaka. Yes, I am not scared. I know exactly what I saw. I saw it. Even the Ajani of our great land know that I'm saying the truth. I am not scared of them. Yes, they should come and face me. I know what I saw, and I will keep saying it. Nobody can stop me. What bitch? Ha!
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I've accepted. It's just that I'm scared. Nkem, you don't understand. This is a very big problem.
Please, Nkem, day your day. Make I day my day. I know what I saw. I don't like friendship that is like this. So your own friendship now, with you friendship. You don't even trust your friend. You're here talking rubbish. Ijomo Ruben unko tuano.
I'm just trying to be friendly here, And
Oh, get it, baby. Oh, my daughter, all alone in the evil forest. No, I cannot sit down here and watch my daughter face this thing all alone. I have to go there.
No, Mama, no. Mama, no, you can't go to the evil forest. If you go there, the villagers will think you're trying to help them. And they will stone you too.
Please, let them stone me. They should stone me. I don't mind. It is my own daughter we are talking about, Usongwa. I have to help her out. I have to do something. Let me go there and die in a place.
Oh no, Mama, no, God forbid.
I have to. Let me die in a place. My daughter is innocent. Let me die in a place. Chibudu, do not hold me back. Allow me.
Mama, you will not die, please. Mama, please. Mama, we can't do anything. We just have to stay here. Mama, please. Mama, if we do anything, then we think we are part of the trial. And we will be punished, Mama. Please, we just have to sit and hope they return. Please, Mama. Mama, please.
I cannot do this. I cannot take it. I cannot take it. How can I stay when my daughter is all alone there? Who knows what she's passing through over there?
No.
Allow me.
No, Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. No, Mama, please. No. We're talking about the evil forest here, please. Mama, all we can just do is to sit here and hope they return. Obina and Usonwa will return safely. Mama, please.
No water, no food. Who knows how she's doing there? Who knows what she's passing through?
Mama.
Oh, Adamu. Who's somewhere? Oh, no.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, please.
I know if it's crap, waiting you won't use me to. I know, no say, my very good friend could do all this to me. I know, no say, I know if it's grabble, waiting you won't use me to. I know say, Baba God, you'll never leave my side. Is he anymore? Is he anymore? Is he anymore? Is anymore? Is anymore? Is anymore? Is anymore? Is anymore? When I'm a Siri jogging. You said you were happy, proud of my fight, but behind my back, you plotted against me, turning my hopes into ashes and dust, all because of envy.
Hey, they made it out of the evil forest, so hey!
I knew it.
You guys are welcome.
I knew it that these people are innocent.
You guys are fine. Hi, welcome.
Thank you guys for standing by us. We wouldn't have made it without you guys.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I know, say, I know fit grabble, waiting you won't use me to. Baba God, you're by my side.
Chibudu!
Is he anymore?
Mama!
Is he anymore?
Memo!
Is he anymore?
I can't. What happened to them? Mama!
Please, put yourself together.
Baba! Baba, wait! Let me go! Let me go!
Someone, stop! Please! Someone!
Baba! Baba! No, I didn't do it! I didn't do it!
Who did this? Who did this to them? Who did this to me? I mean, I know. It's over. It's over for me. My only hope. My only hope.
I promise you.
My only hope. My only hope. No. Abina! Abina, wait! Help! Abina, help! Hey! Help! Abina, hey! No, Abina, help! Breathe, just breathe! Abina, wake up, please! Wake up! Somebody help me! Abina, open your eyes! Help! Somebody help me! Help me, please! Somebody help me! Abina, open your eyes! Abina, help! Somebody help!
Miss, how is he? The young man you brought here needs urgent blood transmission. Unfortunately, our blood bound is low. Hey, you can give him my blood. I don't mind. I have blood to give him. Just do anything to save him, please. You have to test your own blood to see if it matches. There is no time. If it matches, fine, proceed. There's no time. Please, you have to save him. Please, don't let him die. I beg you. He's all I have right now. You have to save him. I beg you in the name of God. Listen to me. This young man's blood type is B+. B+? Yes, I have B+. Mine is B+. I have B+. I have B. Just give him, please. Give him! I know you're trying to save this young guy. Just hold on. Calm down. I have B+. I checked last week in school. It's B+. Give him my blood. I don't mind. Fine. You know what you do. Just give me time. Come here. There's no time now. I will meet you up. Can I see him at least? Can I see him? Please. Come, please. Meet you up. Thank you. Obina. Hey, please hurry up. We don't have time. Hey.
Wow. This is good. I must say this is good. From what I have seen, I mean, your equipments are of very good standard. I really like them.
Wow. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Mr. Daniel, I've heard so many good things about you and your work. Oh. In fact, you are the #1 surgeon in Nigeria.
Oh, wow. Well, thanks for the praises, but I am certain I am still learning. I have so many good surgeons who are really professionals, and I am still learning from them.
I've not seen those ones. It's 0 I know for now.
Oh, wow. That's huge. Thanks. I appreciate that. But I heard your word round is by 10 o'clock.
Yes. Please, I want to thank you. Thank you for choosing this hospital. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
The pleasure is all mine.
You're welcome.
I'll still want you to show me around. I'd like to take a look at some of your works.
I really want to learn more things about you because I know you more than me. So this way, let's go. Let's go my way. I'll show you one.
Behind you.
Okay, follow me. Mr. Daniel, this is one of our critical care rooms.
Okay.
This young man was brought in here. He has a critical accident. And right now his condition is stable. But
Ben!
He's still unconscious.
Ben! Ben!
Do you know him?
is my brother. Ben. He is supposed to be outside the country. How did my brother get here?
Well, a young lady brought him here who happened to donate her blood just to save his life. So I'm talking to you, she's another one trying to recover.
Hello, Mom? Yes, Mom, I've been trying to call Dad, but he's not taking his phone. He's in a meeting. Okay, Mommy, leave that. Ben is in Nigeria. Mom, it's okay, just calm down. As I speak to you, he's in a very critical condition. No, Mom, you need to relax. He's in a very critical condition, and I heard he was involved in a very critical accident, and he is here. Mom, you need to come. Let's take him out of this hospital. I want him closer to the house.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What is it? No! It's someone, my friend, oh no! I am just coming from the house, oh no! They are all dead!
What happened?
Oh no, I don't know! I was passing and said, let me brunch and greet my friend or someone. Immediately I entered inside and saw all of them. They were all lying on the floor lifeless, oh no, I don't know. I don't know, no.
How could this be?
No, I think maybe the deity is trying to punish them for collecting that fish from the sacred river. No, I don't know. I don't know.
The deity. Angry. Abomination. Sacrilege. So, that could be true. It could be true.
Oh no, it's not just that though. I heard that Obi now, someone's friend had an accident. And he might not survive it, oh no.
Hey, wait!
Oh, my friend.
It's alright. You can go now.
Okay, no.
You go.
Okay.
You can go and tell the king.
Okay, no.
Oh, Mom! This is great. Thank you for coming this fast.
Thank you, sir.
I've been calling Dad, he's not taking. Mom, we need to transfer Ben from here to a better hospital in the city. Ben needs a specialized care, and I want to make sure I do that myself. Mom, please.
You are right. You are right. He's my son. And I can spend whatever it will take to make him regain himself again.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you.
But the problem is, how do we bring this whole thing under wraps?
Under wraps? Mom, what do you mean under wraps?
You see, first he was owned by your father. Now, an accident. This is not good for our company at all. I don't want anybody to know that Ben is involved in an accident when he gets out.
Mom, that is very true. And I'll try by any means possible to make sure it is kept sealed and confidential, because I will not want anybody to hear that the son of George Alexander was involved in an accident, most especially in that kind of a remote place.
Mrs. Alexander, I understand your feelings. But we have to do it with the hospital management, because they want to know the reason for the transfer, especially when it has to do with moving him immediately after the accident. My dear, please, do whatever you can do to help us in this situation, to see how we can move him, please. The truth remains that I don't want anybody within this room to know that he's involved in an accident, to know his condition. No problem. But please, do that. Do it secretly. Okay.
No, Sally, just do whatever you can, okay? I will see to it, okay?
No problem. Thank you. Thank you.
I've been calling. He's not taking, so I really wanted him to be here too, but
You cannot even take my advice.
Let me show
You
you where
cannot
it is.
even listen to his wife. What kind of a father is he? What kind of a man is he? Hey, wait, oh. So, Obinna's brother is a medical doctor. Hey! The mother too is a big woman. Me, Obinna is a rich boy from a rich home. And he came to our village and before me, he's a poor boy driving Okada and be deceiving us. Hey! His name is not even Obinna. His name is Ben. Ijoma, te. I have to do something. This is an opportunity. Opportunity, they say, comes but once. Hey. Son, what happened to my son? What happened to him? And your mother is here. I'm here. I'm here, son.
Mom is waking up. Ben. See, mom is here.
I'm here.
I don't know. Where is someone? I want to see her. Who are you? What am I doing here?
Ben, it's me, your mother. Your family, we are here to see you. Please. It's us, your family. Ben. Your mother is here. I'm here.
Mother, you need to calm down. I think he's in a better state now. I will just run some tests and I will know what to do.
Can't you see he did not recognize us?
Mom, it's okay. I understand. Nurse, please, this name Usonwa that he calls, who is Usonwa?
I think it's the lady that brought him here. She's in another world trying to recover.
Okay, she's in this hospital.
Yes.
I'll need to see her. But before then, let me just run some tests and I will pick it up from there. Mom, I'll be right back.
Please be fast about it. So, you'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. So, I would like to see this girl called someone. Yes. I would like to see her. Okay, who are you? Good afternoon. My name is Osonwa. I am the person that brought Sobim here. I was the person that saw him when he had the accident. Oh, my daughter. Thank you very much. Thank you for saving my son. Thank you. Sorry, you had an injury? It's where I donated blood for him. Oh. Sorry. Sit. Sit. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. Stop crying. You'll be fine. Okay? Stop crying. You'll be fine. Okay?
I'm so worried about him. I can't see my own babe lying down like this. We love each other so much. And we've been through a lot together. Why is nature treating us like this? Why, oh babe, why?
Stop crying. It's okay. He'll be fine. As a matter of fact, we are making an arrangement to take him to the city. Yes, where he can take proper medication. Okay? By the grace of God, he'll be fine.
Oh my God. Okay, I know that will be better for him.
You'll be fine. So stop crying.
Oh babe, I don't want to see you like this.
It's okay.
Oh, the lovely time we spent together.
Stop crying, my dear. You'll be fine.
No.
Oh, it's okay. You'll be fine. Yes. If you want to see us, you can contact us through this complimentary card, okay?
Thank you. I'll call.
Mother, everything is set. The ambulance is outside. I'll take him to the city. Now, Celine, please, get him ready.
Oh, thank you. Nurse.
Nurse,
How are you?
where is Sabina?
He has been transferred to another hospital by his family. I'm sure they wanted the best care for him.
Obina. Which family? I mean, he stays with his friend. He doesn't have a family in this town. Are you sure?
A guest doctor recognized him and informed his parents, so they came for him.
Obina. Family. Wait, so you mean they took him?
Yeah.
He didn't call me, he didn't ask of me. I mean, how do I get to him? I don't even have I have his phone. No, this is not true. No,
No. I'm just sorry. It was the parents' decision and they wanted to keep it privately.
You mean Obina is gone?
Yes.
Obina.
Calm down, please. You need to calm down.
Why is this happening to me?
Calm down, please.
My mom? My dad? Chibundu? And now Obina. Why is this happening to me? What is going on here? Mama. Papa. Chibundu.
Osonwa. Sonwa, come here. Osonwa, this tragedy has confirmed what we have always feared. The fish you took, yes, That fish you took must have come from the sacred river. And the gods have shown their wrath by taking the lives of your family members.
Exactly.
The fish did not come from the sacred river, no. It was given to me by Obina.
Oh, well, we have no choice. We have no choice. The gods must have spared you. Perhaps to live in solitude and feel the pains of the demise of your loved ones. Yes. Oh, well, the villagers are no longer comfortable with you living with them. They are no longer comfortable with your presence. Therefore, you are banished from this town.
Damn.
Take her away. Take her away. Take her away.
You don't even have anybody else out there to go.
Mama, leave me.
Don't
Stop begging me. I don't like this thing you're begging me.
What is going on here?
Thank God you are here. Ijoma want to go. He want to leave us. Eh?
Ijoma, where do you think you're going?
I am going to better my life. That is exactly where I am going.
Hey, I'm Chai.
What I used to tell you people since? You people think I'm joking. I always tell you people that one day is one day. Monkey go market, you no go return. I told you that one day I will leave this village. And when I leave this village, that I'm not coming back. The day has come. I am living here for you and your husband.
Ijoma, shut up!
Ijoma, we are please. We can settle this, Bikon. You don't know anybody outside there. Please, I'm begging you. Just stay back. Oh?
Ina Ijoma. Arumelegu. O melege ebo. Mbo. Ema ha akwukwo. Ebo. Inwe hogugu isi. And it is bad for a living being like you to lack both knowledge and wisdom. Street out there. You need wisdom to survive. Ijoma, I know that you will not survive out there. Okay? You must come back. I mean, crawling back to beg me like others who thought they can escape. Go out there, but
don't mind him.
Be warned.
Don't mind him.
Because I will show you no pity when you come crawling back after you fail.
Stop this.
Koromia, I will go out there and I will become somebody in life. I will go there and become somebody in life. And when I become it, I will never come back here.
You can settle this, please. I don't want you to leave this.
Mama, please, stay in your husband's house now. You and your husband should enjoy now. I am going to hustle. I am going to become a better person in future. So allow me to go and make my money.
Leave her! Leave her! Idiot!
Ijoma, please come back.
Make sure you survive, because if you peradventure enter my house again, begging me, then
this girl don't know.
Very foolish girl. Why? Buy Muno. Buy Muno.
And you are supporting him.
You must tell me who the father of that idiot is.
You are supporting her to go.
Someone. You are welcome. Good afternoon. Hey. Mommy. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my daughter. You are welcome. Hey. Mommy.
I wasn't expecting you.
Mommy, I know you were not expecting me. Hey, how is Obim? How is he?
He's getting better.
Mommy, I've been having sleepless nights.
Every night, this is how I've been praying. I pray in the morning. I pray in the afternoon. I pray at night. Kabashing for my Obim to recover. That's why I said, let me use that paper that you gave me so that I will come and see my Obim.
Stand up and sit. 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 Stand up.
My clothes, they smell.
No problem. Just sit.
Hey, thank you, Mommy.
So, how are your parents? Your parents?
Mommy, they are fine, no. They are even the people that push me. They say I should go and be with Obim. That how can I be here? Obim will be suffering. So they say I should greet you well.
That's so thoughtful of them. Thank you for helping my son. If not for you, what would I have done? I just lost my son. Thank you. God bless you. May God bless you.
It's okay. Oru Chukwu Kanaro. I don't have any other work. Every day is God's work I'm doing. That is why I say, just come, let me come here and just stay with my Obim so that we'll be kabashing. I can't wait for Obim to recover and be back on his feet because I know he's a good man. All the time we've spent, Mommy.
You are such a special lady. And I'm happy that you're here. At least you helped my son to regain himself fully. Thank you very much. God bless you.
It's okay, Mommy. It's okay.
I would like to take you to your room. And better stay if you want to stay in my son's room. No problem. At least it will help to facilitate the healing.
It's true. Mommy, is Yoko. If I stay in his room, it's better. Because, Mommy, you know we have to be praying. So that when I pray for him in the morning, I'll pray for him in the afternoon. I'll pray for him even in between, before night. So that Obim will recover fast. Yes. I can't wait. You have to pray where?
I will join my faith with your faith to make him heal fast.
Hallelujah.
And please, hope you don't shout because my husband doesn't like shouting.
Hey, Mommy,
let me call them to make you food. So I will take you go and rest. Okay?
Who is there? Emeka, I bring you something very, very special.
Chakobe, that is so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. But currently, I am seriously thinking just drop the food there and go. I will eat it later. A lot is running through my mind.
It's no problem now. I'll keep the food here for you so that you walk. But make sure you eat though. Special or soup. Do you like ofoa?
Of course, I will eat.
Let me do.
Just drop it there.
Remember to eat though. Yeah?
I will. You are the best.
Yeah, you are the best.
I sincerely appreciate your efforts so far.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
You know fit forever. If I did no kuna so man if na so which kind wahala be this year? My God, make you live waiting day for scanty you. He get why that smoothie where you dey chop. You know fit day forever. If I did no kuna so man if na so
Oh my baby friend. You're going on. I'm so glad to see you. So how are you feeling today?
Who are you?
What do you mean by who am I? Okay, well, I am Cassandra, your soon-to-be wife.
Who's Cassandra? Sorry, I don't know who you are.
This is not the Ben I fell in love with. What is going on? You have to calm down. Take it easy. As you can see, he's trying to regain his memory. Please, just give him some time. Okay?
What do you mean, wait? Wait for what exactly? For what he just said? As my supposed husband said, he doesn't even know me. And you're asking me to wait.
Mommy, do you want anything? Hey, big auntie, you're welcome, ma. Oh, no. Oh, Bim, do you want anything?
And who are you?
Ma, my name is Osonwa. Osonwa,
Oh, the help from the hospital.
Yes. Hey, see, big auntie, there's another thing the doctor said that you don't know. He said that Obim's chance of regaining his memory is very slim. So I'm the only person that will help him to regain his memory. That is why I'm here. Mommy, Mommy was there. Obim, tell me, do you want something? Chuk.
I see what you're doing.
Yes. Oluchuku, that is what I'm doing. God's work. I'm working in his vineyard.
I see that you just want to make me give up on him so that you can have him all to yourself.
God forbid. Me? How? Auntie, I don't know you before. I've never seen you before. I'm only here doing the God's work. I'm only his destiny helper. That is why I'm here, to destine him very well.
I was even thinking you'd be thanking her for helping her. You know what? I'm not called out for this. I am leaving.
As it is, your breast will fall
You're very
out.
stupid.
Small. Hey, that auntie get her well. Say, Obim, do you want something?
Go and get fruits for him. Let him.
Okay, I'm coming.
How much are you giving me for provision?
Listen, my love. There is this particular plant I want to show you in this bush. It's very, very rare. Let us go so that I can show you the plant.
Rare plant?
Yes.
A rare plant?
A rare plant.
Since when did you become a botanist?
My love, I am just trying to expand my knowledge. Don't worry.
But Emeka, there is nothing here now.
Are you not seeing this one? Look at this one.
I've seen it.
Have you seen it?
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen
You're
it?
truly a scientist.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Emeka.
Mm-hmm.
See, Emeka, next time,
okay, yes.
just tell me when you're trying to avoid someone. We all noticed what happened.
Noted, my love. But I am not avoiding anybody in this village. I am not avoiding anybody. See, I love you and I can't avoid you.
Baby. What are you doing?
The only name I can remember since after the accident is someone. Your name. I can't remember anything else. Why is that?
That is because we have been through so much together, my love. Pain. Or should I say, Obina. We are lovers. We love ourselves so much that our love can, turn a mountain. So you don't have to be surprised when my name is the only thing ringing bell in your head. My love.
I don't think I'm ready for this. I think I need some time to recover. I need some time to think.
It's all right. I understand how you're feeling. I understand everything. You can take all the time that you want. I will be here. I will be by your side. I'm not leaving you. So, take all the time, but don't allow the time to take forever. I hope you're okay. Don't worry. Just relax, okay? I'll go fix you something to eat.
Okay.
Daddy.
So, how are you?
I'm fine, Daddy. Daddy, I know you've been so worried about the company and the merger. I totally understand how you feel. But Dad, what if Ben, or should I say Obinna, regains consciousness and finds out that he's being forced to do what he doesn't want? Daddy, don't you think that will make him go worse? It might even make him run away. Or better still, harm himself. Daddy, Obinna confided in me. He told me that he would rather die than to live a life he doesn't want to live. Daddy, please.
He said that to you?
Yes, Daddy. He said those words to me while we're spending time in the village. Daddy, I know the company is so important to you. But you should know that Obinna's life should matter more to you than every other thing. His happiness should mean a lot to you. Daddy, please, I am begging you in the name of God and everything that I serve, don't make a mistake that will make you lose your son. I plead with you to just let him do what makes him happy. I beg you, Dad.
Osonwa.
Yes, Daddy.
You are very correct. I've been so busy with business schedules. And then, as for the merger, I can't really recollect what actually transpired and can't stand the risk of losing my son again.
Daddy, thank you so much for listening to me. I'm happy you understood where I'm coming from. But I'm making you a promise. I am here for Obinna. I will make sure he gets back on his feet. And he will make you so proud. Okay, Daddy? You just have to trust me.
As for the engagement, I will cancel the engagement with Cassandra. Obinna's and Ben's life is much more important to me than the business.
That is very thoughtful of you. Thank you so much, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I will be in the room.
You're welcome.
All right, Daddy.
I've been meaning to tell you this, Chikube. Just so you know, I now have a boyfriend who loves me, takes care of me, and his name is...
And me too, I have a boyfriend that loves me, take care of me too in this village, yes.
Neko Chikube, you have a boyfriend I don't know in this village?
Yes.
Yes, and I'm very sure that it's better than your own boyfriend that you claim you have. Yes.
Your own boyfriend is better than my boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay, that's by the way. So tell me, who is this man that I don't know that loves you in this village?
Okay, Sikwado. So that you go at the back now and collect my boyfriend, is it? Akwea? It will not work for you.
Chikube, you should know that I have class now. I am intelligent, I am brilliant, I am class. I can't stoop so low to, date a man that is in love with you. Makoya adekwa classless, you understand? I can't do that.
So what? I don't understand. What do you mean?
Back.
No, what is the meaning of that rubbish you talk now?
Biko, Ruben, coach, please. I don't have strength to fight. Biko, hold it to yourself.
No, come and talk to me anyhow. Idiot. Nonsense. So that I'll tell you now, you go back behind now and spoil my relationship. You want to go behind me now and collect my boyfriend or spoil my relationship? No problem. Come now, come and talk to me.
What nonsense. My dad just told me that you called off the engagement. How could you do that to me? Cassandra, please sit. We need to explain something to you. I will not sit. You've practically ruined my life. You betrayed me.
Cassandra, I know it is difficult, but I can't risk the life of my son who has no interest in a business deal or engagement that he has no interest in.
Oh, I see. All of this is happening because of her. Isn't it? This evil personified, Usongwa. Can't you see that this person sitting here is manipulative? She's manipulating you all. Can't you see? And you're just going to sit down there and watch her do that? Well, that's not me.
No, don't lay your hands on her. No, you don't lay your hands on someone. Please. Someone here is the only one that can make Ben regain his memory. My dear, if you so love Ben that much, then allow her. Yes, allow someone to do that thing she can do to make Ben regain his memory.
Why is everyone not getting this point? Why? Can't you see that this girl here is evil? She's using all of you. Why can you not see that?
And what have you and your father been doing to us all this while? Not Sunny! Cassandra, I understand how you feel. But right now, what matters to us is how to focus on our son. Yes, let him regain his sanity. Let him regain his memory. Someone here is the only one he remembers. She's the only one who can help him regain his memory. Please, leave.
Fine. I will leave. But I want you to have it at the back of your mind that... But I don't want the two of you running back to me by the time she ruins everything. It is okay, I will leave. Suit yourself.
We just lost Issa and Just Limited.
But we have not lost everything.
What a wine, you know? Why are you frowning your face? This is just the beginning. I thought you were busy making mouth. This village girl will show you. This village girl remove you from this house. The same village girl is the one that has asthmated you. Now you're going home. Ew. How does it feel? On our fucking akwegi. On our fucking akwegi.
Listen, you dirty village and retarded girl from the gutter. I don't have a word for you. I don't have your time.
How will you have my time? No matter why. How will you have my time? You cannot have my time now. I know you want to cry, but just hold the tears. Just hold it very well so that when you get to your house, you go and cry to your father. Oh, that village girl. Yes, they've chased you. Village dirty girl has taken your baby. You can shake off your hair. See ya.
You think you've won?
Yes, sir.
You think you've won?
I have won.
I'm going to let you know that you didn't win this. Listen, this battle is not even over yet. I would make you regret ever crossing paths with me.
Oh, rubbish. I have already grabbed him. My sister, when you go home, go and remove your lashes because it's too big. It's too long. Go look at her. You're here coming to drag my man. I will leave you because you're a city girl. TV. I am not scared of you. You've not even seen anything. Rubbish. You're making mouths. Obina is mine. You've not seen anything.
Chekube, what are you doing here now?
Yeah? Onyoriamu, what are you doing in my boyfriend's house? Emeka is my boyfriend, what are you doing here?
Onye be your boyfriend?
Emeka!
Emeka! My own Emeka is your boyfriend, how? Makwaka, are you listening to yourself?
My own Emeka is your own Emeka. Emeka is my boyfriend. Oh yeah, get out. I said get out from here.
Emeka has the effronteries to play me. Emeka told me that I am the smartest, the most intelligent in this village. How dare him?
Me, I must cook, the cooker in this village, yes.
Emeka has stepped on a lion's tail. And I will show him what I am made of. I will show him what I am capable of. I will show him the reason they call me Nkem.
Leave my boyfriend's house, Onyoriamu.
Calm down. You have something to plan. Remember, he played us, not just me.
No, he played you, not me. You know, play me. It's my boyfriend.
I never know that I am alone. Yeah. I never believed that you, my friend, my sister, could plot all this on me. Yeah. I know, no say, I know if it's crap, or waiting you won't use me do. I know, no say, my very good friend could do all this to me. I know, no say, I know if it's crap, waiting you won't use me do. I know say, Baba God, He will never leave my side. Is He anymore? 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 When the man been sitting there jogging. You said you were happy, proud of my fights, but behind my back, you plotted against me, turning my hopes into ashes and dust, all because of envy, all because of jealousy. I know, no say, I know if it's grab, waiting you won't use me to. I know, no say, my very good friend could do all this to me. I know, no say, say I don't fit grab. Waiting you want use me do. Baba God, you dey by my side. Oh, is you anymore? 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 Is you anymore?
What is happening here? What are you doing here?
Emeka, what is Chekube doing here? No, I'm asking you, what is Chekube doing here, Emeka? You told me that I am the only lady you love in this village. The most adored lady, the most attractive lady in this village. Tell me what Chekube is doing in your house, Emeka. You told me you're only free only Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday because you're busy. That's what you told me.
And you tell me that it's me, only me. You eat my food. All my food, especially my stew. Eh? You tell me that it's every Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you are busy. Hey! Busy with Nkemokwe? Eh? All my rice and stew that I cook for you. What are you closing your nose for? I smell, but my rice is not smell of where?
Liar.
Emeka, start talking now. Start talking, explain. What is she doing here?
Calm down, my baby. In fact, sorry.
I thought we are together. I never know that I am alone. Yeah. I never believed that you, my friend, my sister, could plot all this on me. Yeah. I know, no say, I know if it's crap. Waiting you won't use me do. I know, no say, my very good friend could do all this to me. I know, no say, I know if it's grabble. Waiting you won't use me do. I know say, Baba God, you'll never leave my side. Is he anymore? 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 When the man been serious jogging. You said you were happy, proud of my fights, but behind my back, you plotted against me, turning my hopes into ashes and dust, all because of envy, all because of jealousy. I know, no say, I know if it's grab. Waiting you won't use me do. I know, no say, my very good friend could do all this to me. I know, no say, I know fit grabble. Waiting you won't use me do. Baba God, you day by my side. Oh, is he anymore? Is he anymore? Is he anymore? Is
Okay.
Emeka.
I don't understand this one. You just walk inside my house and sat on my chair without me asking you to sit there. I remember you once told me that you are no longer interested in me, that I am not your class. What are you doing here?
Okay, before I answer your question, Emeka, let me remind you that I am the smartest in this village, the most intelligent in the kingdom. And of such, Emeka, you're not in my class, and you can never meet up my standards. So forget about the chair you're talking about, like maybe no one feel Busadi too important in this house. But let me tell you, Emeka, I am here not because I want you. I am here because I am pregnant, and I came to tell you that you've impregnated me.
Pregnant for who? For how? How manage? Yes!
Why are you asking me how? No, yes! I drank it from the cup. Who
got you pregnant?
You got me pregnant. When you were telling me open it, baby, you're so sweet. Hey, I hit it harder. Hey, baby, I like the way it's moving inside there. You don't know. In our job, how did you get me pregnant? The annoying part now, Emeka, is that I can't even go to the university. You've ruined my life, Emeka. So let me be managing that.
I am not the one responsible for the pregnancy. Who is this one? Listen to me, let me tell you something. I am having serious matter on Ghana I am trying to settle with. I don't know this one, you are here with this your drama. I am not ready for this. What are you doing here?
And I have a serious matter that I want to handle with you. I am pregnant. That mean me.
You are very, very stupid. I'm from this. In fact, you are sick in the head. Are you mad? Which one you are pregnant? Who got you pregnant? Who? Where?
Why you?
Where?
Yeah.
You are very, very. Both of you are useless. Both of you are very stupid.
Emeka, you're very, very stupid. Do you know who I am? A home in this village. Do you know me? You can insult her, not me.
Yala, insult who? Don't use indirectly and insult Yala now.
Wait, first, you're not even my problem. Okay, sit down here. I'm not done talking.
You got me.
You wait first, I'm discussing.
Okay, my come on, shut up.
Yeah, I want to enter you.
Take that easy, brother. Baby, I see you in the hallway, walking by, a sparkle in your eyes, it makes me shy. Every word you speak is like a song. Girl, I've been waiting for you all along. I don't know what to say, but I've tried on my way to show you how I feel. You are the only one I want. I don't know what to say. I'll try it on my way to show you how I feel. You are the only one I want. Oh, baby.
I have never been with any man except Obina. Wait. Does it mean I'm pregnant for Obina? Hey. God, I don't even have money to look after myself. Why do I get money to look after a baby? Hey. Oh. Someone. Hey.
Every moment with you is what the while.
Emeka, we need to talk about our food situation in this household.
Yes, because I go. I go now, going. So you better have money that you give us. Ha.
You have drained me. I am finished. I don't have shish. In fact, I can't afford feeding both of you in this house. Two of you. I need to start looking for something to be doing.
Bring money, Oga. This is how pregnant women behave, and you have to get used to it. So here in our company, they bring out money, count money, and give us. We are hungry now. Bother. Won't you eat? Bring money now. You can't afford to do what?
Emeka, you see my baby here? I go now here. He's hungry. What's your name now? In the end, why now? So bring money.
Is this what it takes to get pregnant?
I don't know.
We don't know. You're so sweet. You're this one, Emaro. Maybe open it well.
Bring
Hey. Both of you have turned my life upside down. I am finished.
You are finished.
But I don't know you say, but because it's too much. There is no money left.
There's no money left.
Okay, you can remove your clothes. Let's go and sell it. Let's go and sell it. Bring out one. Let's go and sell it. Remove the polo.
I am so sorry, I just don't remember anything. But one thing I know is I love you. I just don't remember past events.
It's okay. You don't need to stress yourself over anything. It's me, Usoma, the one and only that you love. Relax your mind. I will always be here to assist you. Okay?
Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for standing by me, even when I cannot stand by myself. Thank you.
It's alright. I will always stand by you. And I'll be here till you remember everything. So continue. Anyone you need my help, I will help you out. You know I'm very, very intelligent. Yes.
Hey.
Go ahead.
Our husband.
Welcome.
My wife's. Wait. Who the other one?
He shocked you.
You like what you see.
I love what I see. Both of you have reached the level of buying foodstuffs in this house.
Yes, sir.
This is carton of very, very expensive.
Very expensive, nah.
I can see. Tomatoes. Even pepper. These are my wives. I am proud of you guys. It's really recommendable.
Yes, we are proud of you.
Yes, I'm proud of my wives. Mana, wait. I did not see my friend's bike outside there when I was coming in. I don't know. Did you people shift it to the backyard?
That one, is it the bike?
The bike.
The truth is that we sold it.
Yes, we sold it. I shift to get to the market.
Is it
the right owner?
We sold it. To the rightful owner. Only on the bike.
Chokube? We sold it.
We sold it now.
Did I hear you say we sold it?
We sold it.
Okay. If I may ask, how much did you sell the bike?
You can go. Big money. We sold it 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira?
Hey!
50,000 naira.
Is it too much?
Is it
that bag is worth up to 200,000 now?
Okay, we are saving.
The bike that was parked there. The bike has been parked there only AGM. We saw the 50,000 was in our money. We have food to eat. No budget. No carton of Indomie. No say. No tomato.
Hey, what am I going to tell you?
Don't stress yourself. Hoping night is not coming back. I won't let go as well. Let's eat first.
Oh, God, we have enough food in the house. At least my God.
Baby girl.
My own is baby boy. Head of the family.
Exactly.
We have enough.
Indomie. What are you talking about?
Hey, what am I not to deserve this? Bag of what? 200 something. Is it
your bike? You're very ungrateful.
Go live with that.
Maybe they said we should sell the bike.
Exactly. What I said we should sell it at once.
They say sell the bike and buy food for me.
Oh, what am I going to tell you now?
What are you going to tell me now? What are you going to kids?
You know fit there forever. If I didn't go now so man if I not so
Usonwa, this past month has been crazy. Although I can't remember the past events, but what I know is that I want to be with you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. So right now, right here, before my lovely parents, I'm asking you, the most beautiful woman on planet Earth, to be my wife.
God. Yes. Yes, Obi, I will marry you. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
You like it?
I love it.
I know.
Oh my God. Oh, Mom. Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, ma.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
This is a great moment in our family. Now you're back to us. Not only that you're back to start a new chapter with a wonderful and beautiful woman. Wow. As a sign of love and trust from our family, I will be handing over these and bills limited over to you.
Dad! What? That's too much.
Oh, come on! Wow!
Congratulations! Thank you so much, Dad.
Congratulations, my son.
Thank you so much.
I trust you will make us proud.
Of course I'll make you proud.
Yes.
I will.
Thank you so much,
I'll make you
Daddy.
proud. Thank you so much, Dad.
One more thing. By tomorrow afternoon, the company's lawyer will be here for you to sign the necessary documents.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you so
much.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you. Wow. Thank you. We're grateful.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Dad, this calls for celebration.
Mommy.
Let me get those cups. Thank you, really well.
Chibundu!
Oh, baby.
Chibundu! Hey! I have come out, Chibun. Chibundu! You scared me. Where were you hiding? Yeah. Oh, you're so smart. Why didn't you see me? You scared mommy, right? Are you hungry? I'll show you. You know I cook your favorite. Tell me the way. You're hungry. You're hungry. I know you're hungry. Let's go inside. I know you're hungry.
Three deaths in 1 week, of which young men in their prime. How do we explain this?
It is unheard of, Lord. I was speaking with the family just yesterday. They are lost. As in, what they did to reserve this. 2 more are gone.
Hey! Owam, we need to visit those families, at least to give them our own little comfort. Yes, because the way I see it, I fear is that something sinister is in the play.
Hello. Oh, yeah.
Hello. Okay.
What is this? Speak!
Calm down.
Hello. Madueke family. All of them are gone.
Hi! Are you sure?
I'm telling you.
Hi!
Jeez.
Wam na chiaro. Mbeke mbaja for that for money. Hey! Hey!
All
they are gone.
Gone. In one night.
This death. Olo. It's getting out of hand.
It is.
If we do not find out the cause, the entire kindred will be wiped out.
We need to act very swiftly and find whatever is the cause of all this spate of death. Otherwise, we are all gone. Please take us there.
Let's go.
Take us there. Let us see what it is.
Baby, I see you in the hallway.
That's
walking by.
Yeah.
A sparkle in your eyes. It makes me shy. Every word you speak is like a song. A girl, I've been waiting for you all along. I don't know what to say, but I'll try on my way to show you.
Are you the one staying here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Well, you have to leave.
Huh?
Yes, this building is scheduled for development and we are resuming work next week.
Leave when, sir?
Next week.
Sir, this is where I've been staying for years now. I don't have anywhere to go to. My son and I live here. Where do you want us to go to, sir?
Well, even as much as I pity you and I can't help you.
Hey, sir.
So you have until next week.
Sir, we don't have anywhere to go to. I beg in the name of God, sir, please.
I wish I
We've
can.
been living here for so long, sir, please. Hey,
next
hey, sir, please. I beg you. We have nowhere to go to, sir. We go.
Everything is
Tell you, wait, sir. Sir, I beg you. We have nowhere to go to, sir.
Baby, I see you in the hallway, walking by. A sparkle in your eyes, it makes me shy. Every word you speak is like a song.
Sir, please don't do this to us, please. Hey,
I told you we are resuming work today. I don't want to see you here again.
Sir, I beg.
I give you 5 minutes to leave.
Sir, we have no. Look at my son. We have nowhere to go.
I don't care. That is not my problem. I
Sir,
want
please,
you.
I beg you. I'm going to leave, but not now. I beg
5
you.
minutes.
Hey. Sir, we have nowhere to go to. Sir, please. I can walk here if you want me to walk. I beg you. We cannot leave here now. Hey. Sir, please now. Do you want me to? Whatever you want me to do, I will do it. I beg you. We cannot leave. We have nowhere to go to.
That part not completed yet.
The supply is still coming. By weekend it will be ready.
What other supply is that? I made everything available.
Yeah, but the delivery didn't come on time, so don't worry about that. We have it sorted.
Who's crying?
Oh, just a woman.
A woman?
Yeah, she's been squatting here for a while, but don't worry, I've already asked her to leave. Shall we continue with the inspection?
Of course, of course. Let's
Let me just show you around.
Yeah. So, where is the woman her child was crying?
Oh, she must have left. I've been asking her to leave for weeks now, but she's been insisting on staying, so I believe she left.
Are you sure she has somewhere else to stay?
Of course. There are other places she can go to that they are not ready to complete the building, so she can manage.
Alright, how about the building?
Like I said, sir, you don't have to worry about anything, okay? Everything is under control. We just have some things to detail and we are good.
It's alright, just make sure you monitor this before they get to roofing stage. Okay?
It's no problem.
Yeah, make sure they do a clean job.
Like I said, sir, everything is under control.
Of course, of course. Alright, engineer, carry on.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Something happened. I hit the child with my car. I rushed into the hospital at St. John's Hospital at Umumaku. It's not that simple. The child's life is on the line. I need to be here to see how it goes. Relax, I need to be here to see him through. It's not something I just brush off like that. Please. All right. How's he?
Calm down, sir. Calm down. He's okay. But the boy's condition is very, very critical. And he has lost a lot of blood. He needs immediate blood transfusion. But we don't have B+ in our blood bank.
B+?
Yes.
Of course I'm B+. All right, you can go ahead and test me. I'm ready to donate.
Thank God. Thank God you are here. But we can go now. We can.
God. This is you. Ijoma, you look nice. Usonwa.
Ijoma, it's me, Usonwa, your friend.
Oh my goodness. Is this you?
It's me. I'm so happy to see you. You smell so nice.
Thank you. It seems like you're here to sell something or you're begging. Which one? What exactly are you doing here?
No, I sell, yes, but not in the hospital. I sell outside the hospital, close to the market, that junction there. That's why I sell.
That tells a lot about your smell. You smell like someone that sells apple. Is that what you sell?
No, I sell oranges.
Oranges?
My son is here. He had an accident, so I came here to see him. The car knocked him down, so we've been here.
Wait. Usonwa, did you just say your son? You have a son?
Yes, I have a son. Don't worry, you meet him if you're... Do you work here? What are you doing here?
Like you said, a lot has changed.
Oh,
and change is the only thing that is constant, right? Yeah, look at me. I'm actually here to see my husband.
Your husband?
Yes, I'm married to a billionaire. So I don't sell orange. Yes.
Does your husband work here?
No, he doesn't work here. Well, he's actually here to do something. So I came to help him out.
You're married?
Of course, a lot has changed. Anyway, I didn't know I was going to see you. I would have, brought some dollars from the car to, give you some. All these beggars, you need it. All right.
IJ.
Yeah?
Guess who I saw today?
It doesn't matter. It's all right, please. I know you want to beg me money, okay?
No, I'm not. But
I will send you dollars. Bye.
IJ, you don't want
I have to go now. My husband is waiting.
IJ! Hey, Ijoma, husband, married. IJ!
Oh, baby, thank God you're fine. I'm happy to see you. You know what? We have to leave here now before the press will come. I don't want them to embarrass you. Your father is rich. Please, let's go, okay?
Ijoma.
Baby, you're running temperature. Are you sure you're fine? Why are you calling me Ijoma? It's me, Usonwa, your love.
You have been pretending to be someone
Lord of Jesus.
for 4 years.
Nurse! What have you done to my husband? Obin, what have they done to you? What have they done to you? Why are you calling me Usonwa?
You have been pretending to be someone else for 4 good years.
How? Obin, what are you saying? You are accusing me.
Stop the pretense. I have my memory back. Why?
Ijoma, is this the man you're talking about? Your husband?
Yes, he's my husband.
Get your filthy hands off me! God! Usonwa, is this really you? Oh my God. Usonwa, it's you. It's you. It's you. Where have you been? I've been looking everywhere for you. Where have you been? Oh my God.
You know me now?
Yes, it's you. Usonwa, mine. Of course I know you. My Usonwa. Huh? Yes.
No. You know me. You remember me?
Yeah, I do. I remember you.
You remember me. You remember me.
Yes, I do.
This is not good. This is not good at all. Hey, this is bad. What if Obinna comes back and they will put hand and kill me? What if they call police on me? What would I do? Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. But why would that witchy girl, Usoma, why do you have to show up now? Why? You want to take everything from me? No, you want to take everything away from me, right? So that I will be left with nothing but sorrow and sadness. Everybody will hate on me. Both my family, friends, the whole community. I will not allow this to happen. I will not allow this to happen. What will I do? What will I do? Should I pack my things? Should I leave? Watago. Hey.
Mami Joma, my food. I am famished.
No.
Huh? Oh yes.
How was it? Again. Gini me. Did you eat anything there? Huh? Are you okay? Papi Joma. Check me. Yeah. Again. What happened? What happened? Hey! What happened? Chineke! Hewa! Hewa, don't be piano! Hewa! Help me! Nah. Chineke, you can stand up. Get up. Hewa! Get it! Hey! Hewa! Somebody help me! Help me no more! What is this now?
I can't believe this. Huh? Son? You mean this is the real Usonwa we were talking about at the hospital?
Yes, Mom. This is the real Usonwa. I have my memories back now.
Usonwa. I mean, Ijoma. She deceived us all, pretending to be Usonwa.
Yes. She deceived us all this while. But now the truth is out. My memory is back.
This is something else. How did you not find out that she is the real Usonwa?
I hit a young boy on my way to work, and then I rushed him to the hospital. I was told he needed blood, so our blood group matched, and I agreed to donate blood. On seeing someone, I blacked out, and all the memories came running into my head like it was yesterday. My memory's back now, Mom.
This is miracle. One more thing. Chibundu here is Obinna's son. What?
My son?
Yes. I realized I was pregnant 4 months after you left me. But I couldn't reach you. So I just had to.
Hey, don't worry.
You mean Chibuzo my brother?
Not that one.
Oh my God. My grandchild.
I'm so sorry for not being there for my son. But henceforth, I'm going to be here for him. Forever.
He's all grown.
I just came into the country today. I'm in my father's house. I'm in the village. I'm in the village. I'm in my homeland. How's it? Okay, I'll call you back.
My son. Wokike. Omekanaya. Ha!
Papa, look at you.
When I see you like this, I feel like jumping. I miss you so much. In fact, the whole community miss you.
I miss you people more.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Who is there?
Papa, and how is the whole scholarship thing? I hope everything is going well.
We are doing it. Look, in fact, I never knew that we have so many intelligent children in this our community.
Beautiful.
Ha!
Awesome.
Bia, Umazia. Who is there? Bring the thing you're cooking now for my son. Ogni. Biano, Bicon. No. You want to Hey! Bia. Somebody help me. Get up. Please, somebody help. Hey! Oh, my man. Hi!
We should do something.
Obi, Daddy, Mom, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Honestly, this is not me. It's not me. It's the devil. It's the devil that was using me. I'm begging you in the name of God. Please forgive me. Obim, you know I have always loved you. I've loved you way back in the village. When you had the accident, I saw an opportunity. Opportunity to be with the love of my life. I had to grab it. Because I don't want to stay away from you. I know I have wronged you by becoming an imposter. I never meant to. Please, you all should please forgive me.
Yeah, so you grabbed an opportunity to manipulate me for how long? Huh? Listen, I don't want anything to do with you anymore, alright? So just get the hell out of my house. I'm done. Please.
Obin, please, you can't say that. You can't say you're done. Please, God, I am begging in the name of God. You can ask me to leave your house. I am carrying our child. Your child is growing in my womb.
What?
Yes.
No. Did I just hear you well? Did you just say you are pregnant?
Yes, yes.
So, after all your lies and deceit, you want to use pregnancy to bind my son to yourself?
Yeah. Listen, I don't care what nonsense you're carrying in there. But just so you know, I don't care. Get the hell out of this house and do whatever I want to do with that nonsense you're carrying. Alright? I don't care. Count me out.
Listen, Ijan, listen to me. If truly you're pregnant, you have to stay here until you give birth to that child.
Dad, I don't want her in this house.
No, let her come. Because she's carrying our baby. Let her stay here until she gives birth to that child. If truly she's pregnant, let her come and put to bed here.
Yes, I am pregnant. I went for lab. When the doctor confirmed I was positive, I wanted to surprise him. I wanted to surprise Obim. Obim, please don't do this to me. Daddy, because I'm Mommy, please, I'm begging you.
After all what you did to this family?
Daddy, I can become the second wife.
No, Second what? Where Sobo? I gave in.
Shut up your mouth.
Who live in peace.
Just shut up your mouth. Second wife where? No, second wife where? Under which roof?
I don't mind. Let her be the first wife. No problem. I will be the second wife.
The great chief priest. You know I come in time of need.
Of course I do. Oh no.
My community is in trouble. My community is under a curse. Things are happening that are not encouraging. People are dying. All right. 3 people died just some days ago. The one that pains me most is that my own son suddenly fell and died. Chief priest, please, what is happening? And how do we put an end to this?
Oh no. You know you are in the right place. So just calm down. Epu. Oluwanu mume epu. 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 Onye eziokwu. Gwakwa m eziokwu onye nọ n'elu na onye nọ na nne. Epu onye iwe bụ siga mbọsụ amụnya siga mbọsụ ọka ọ na-agwụ. Onye iwe bụ anya ike adịa ihu adịa asụ amụ. Kwen. Eziokwu. Isi mukwe. Ọ dị mma na m ga-ekwunu. Wasịkwa na egwu adịghị atụ afọ oburu ụzọ. M ga-ekwu ka isi gwa m. Oh no. Epu is making me to understand that this maiden you people maltreated and dealt with in several ways that beyond comprehension. That maiden went through a lot of pains, and during her pains, during her process of passing through this pain, that's what I'm seeing. She caused the land. And the death you are seeing, yes, is caused by the spirits avenging her suffering. What a laugh from Kedibu.
19? Yes. Oh. Who is she?
Ọ na-ajụ onye ka ọ bụ? Onye? Who? Onye? Sikwa m kwuo m ga-ekwu. Oh no. Epu is saying that the name of the maiden is called Osonwa. Osonwa ka na afụ n'ebe. What I'm saying here is Osonwa. These people tortured Osonwa too much that she caused the land. Not only that, you people poisoned her family. You destroyed her reputation. That's what I'm seeing here. Even the fish that you people said that was stolen from the sacred river did not come from there. And you people even banish her. The ancestors are not happy. And the injustice you people did to her must be undone. And you must find her and ask her for forgiveness. Otherwise, more innocent souls will die.
Oh. So, someone is innocent.
Someone is innocent.
Oh no, Ebu is saying that you're 100% correct.
Ah, someone is innocent.
My chief priest, how can we find her? Nobody knows her whereabouts. As a matter of fact, nobody has seen nor heard from her for years now. In fact, since that day this thing happened, nobody knows where to get her.
Oh no, from what I'm seeing and from what Epu is telling me, you must find her. The gods are angry. It is only when you find her, ask for her forgiveness, and she forgives you people. It is only then that the curse placed on this kingdom will be lifted.
Mama, what are you saying? Hello, Mama, can you hear me? Mama? Yeah, Mama, I'm fine. How are you? You sound... What's happening? Are you serious? Why is the whole village in chaos? I don't know where she is though. I haven't seen Osonwa in a long time. Okay. Osonwa.
I want you to go in there, pick everything that belongs to you and get the hell out of this house. Now.
Obinna, why you talking like this? Why are you talking like this? Have you forgotten? You were there when Daddy said that I can stay here and put to bed. So why are you asking me to leave the house?
Oh my God.
Jawekwenebe.
So you have been pretending to be pregnant just to stay in this house. To what end?
Hey. Wait though. How can you say I'm pretending to be pregnant? Ane uchafi maka. Why will I lie with my pregnancy? I am pregnant for you.
For God's sake, I saw you waste your used sanitary pad. I saw you. Or do you want me to call them to come check you now? Stop this.
Please don't shout. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. It's just love. It's love that is doing me this thing. Hope if you chase me now, where will I go? I want to be close to you. Only seeing you makes me happy.
Ejoma, for God's sake, you have been deceiving me since I had this accident and lost my memory.
I'm sorry.
You lied to me that you are someone. And now you lied to me that you're pregnant for me. To what end?
Ejoma! Mommy! Hey, oh Jesus! Hey, mommy, never. What kind of person are you? I'm just a living thing, mommy. Ejoma! I'm a living thing. You lied to us! Hey. No, you've been lying to us all this while that you are pregnant for my son. Ijoma, taking my son's kindness for granted. No. I know how to deal with people like you. I have to call the authorities to come and take you so you face the law. Idiot. Hey, mommy Mbao. Hey, sorry, Mba. Hey, mommy, and the police are drawn. We are not in good terms. I don't like them at all. Hey, don't worry, I will go. Mommy, please let me go. Mommy, drop our love. Get up! Please, I don't do this to you. Don't do this to you. How did you get here?
If anybody knew someone whereabouts when your father was sick, your father would have been alive by now. This curse is killing us one by one.
Mama, Papa is supposed to die. Yes, Papa was never a good man and you know it. Very selfish and self-centered. All he thought about was about himself. So, it's good as is no more. Peg.
Ijoma, you don't have to talk like that. He's still your father, you know. Eh? If you hadn't accused Osonwa and Obina all these years, this wouldn't have happened. You caused it all.
No, I did not cause anything. If your husband and the Onowu did not connive and send Osonwa out of this village, probably Papa will still be alive. All these things will not happen. So please don't put the... Ogini. Mama?
My chest, oh.
What's wrong with your chest?
This is how we started with your father. Please. I don't want to die, oh. Hey, Obimo. Obimo. Oh. Hi.
Mama, you will not die.
Okay.
I know where Osonwa is.
You know? Please, go and tell. Oh no. Go and bring Osonwa, please. I don't want to die. Please. Go. Go, Ijoma. Go. Hi.
Osonwa, my daughter. We, the elders, accept the fact that we've behaved so irresponsibly. Please, I know that what we did is so sacrilegious, very bad. But we plead with you, please, to have mercy and forgive us. Please. Our people are suffering. Suffering. Our people are dying. In their numbers. We know it's that curse you laid upon us. And if you do not reverse it, we'll be in a bigger trouble. Please. If you want us to kneel down, we'll kneel down for you. Please. Please.
Please. Have mercy. Have mercy, please.
You want me to forgive you?
Yes.
You expect me to lift the curse?
That'd be very good.
We know we wronged you, Osonwa. But please, have mercy. The deaths, they are tearing the village apart. And we know it is only you that can stop it. Please, we beg of you.
You sit there and talk about mercy? You want me to have mercy on you?
Yes, yes.
What if I had died? Who will you come running to? My ghost, I suggest. You're asking for mercy. Where was this same mercy? When I was beaten several times for a crime I knew nothing about. Where was your mercy? When we were sent to the evil forest to sleep there for a crime we did not commit. You sit here and ask for mercy? Where was your same mercy when I was banished from the land? You all here banished me. I cried to you, Onowu. I told you I did not do it. You all punished me for a crime I knew nothing about. Where was your mercy when my parents died and they had to bury them in the evil forest like they had no one to look after them, like they were some dogs? Where was your mercy when I had to sleep on the street? When I had nothing to eat, I had to eat from the gutters, I had to feed from garbages. Where was your mercy when I had to give birth in an uncompleted building with no one to look after me? Where was your mercy when my son almost lost his life. Where were you all? Do you know what I went through? What if I had died? Who would you come to? And then you sit here with your pretentious looks, asking for my mercy. There is no mercy. I wish you all can die the same way my parents died. There is no mercy for anyone.
You all heard her. I think you have to leave.
For someone I know you're hurting, I can feel your pain. It breaks my heart. But if you can let go of this, it's going to make so much sense. Let go of this burden.
Wait. You're asking me to forgive them?
Yeah.
After everything I've been through? Do you know what those people did to me?
Yeah.
Those people chased me out. They insulted and punished me for a crime I knew nothing about. They killed my family, my mom, my father, and my only brother.
I know.
No, I won't. I will never forgive any of them.
I know. Alright? But holding on to this pain is not hurting them anymore. It's hurting you more. And people are dying because of your course.
That is it. I do not care. Obina, I do not care. I don't care if they all have to die. I don't care. But I'm not going to forgive them. I will never do it. They deserve it.
Someone, you need to think about the future. Think about your son. Forgiveness is the only way to end the circle of pain. You need to end this so you can save lives in that village.
Look at how you're saying it. Like you don't know what I went through. Obina, you were there with me. You saw me go through all those things. You know it. Look, I really wish I can listen to you and just do what you want. It is hard for me. The pains are still there. I cannot let go like that. I still feel the memories are still... Obina, I'm so sorry that I can't.
But someone, you have the power to end this. If not for their sake, at least for the sake of your son and us. I'll be inside.
Nsonga, my dear, it is good to have you here with us again. Join us.
Yes, my daughter. We really missed you. It's been too long.
Nsonga, let's play again. We will have so much fun.
What is happening? Where are you going to?
We are resting now, my child. We'll come back if you allow us.
Yes. We are resting at the moment. You will join us when you are ready.
Nsonga, remember us. Remember our love.
No. Mama. Papa. Come back, do not leave me. Mama. Chibundu. Mama. Come back, please, where are you? Mama.
Hey. What's wrong?
They were here. Mama, Papa, Chibundu, they were here. They were here, right here. I saw them, they were here.
Relax. Okay? It was just a dream.
No. I could see them. They were playing with me. I saw them. Mama was...
Babe.
She was holding me. Chibundu was right behind me. Papa was... They were all seated close to me.
Osonwa, it was just a dream. Okay? Relax. Please. Just relax. Are you good? It was just a dream.
Okay.
Go back to bed. Let's go back to bed. Osonwa. Osonwa, are you alright?
I don't know. I don't know what is wrong with me.
Maybe it's just stress. You're not feeling too well. So I guess we'll go to a hospital. Okay?
Yeah, but I saw Mama. She was here with me. But we were playing. The next thing she left me. Do you think she hates me now? Maybe they think I'm the reason why they are dead. Maybe they blame me for their death.
No. You're not the reason why they're dead. Stop torturing yourself. Okay?
Then why did they leave?
I guess it was just a way to tell you to let go. Okay? Come, let's go to bed. It's alright. Everything is going to be fine, I promise. Everything is going to be fine.
Elumelu, Oluenu, Olua, Oga iji nkakwo. Ewo, ayeme. Osonwa, please come closer. I want you to receive this from me with both hands. Adejofa Kedu. Ezoko. Osonwa, I want you to do this for your community. I want you to repeat after me. I, Osonwa, hereby renounce all the curses I placed on this kingdom.
Hereby renounce all the curses I placed on this kingdom.
As the day is getting dark, bad things will disappear with the darkness. And as the day is getting to a new dawn, good things will emerge from this kingdom.
Good things will emerge from this kingdom.
Prosperity.
There will be prosperity.
Goodness and mercy shall follow this kingdom.
Goodness and mercy will follow this kingdom.
Osonwa. Yes. Thank you for forgiving us. Osonwa, thank you for the kind heart you have towards the people of Umuako. Thank you. We will forever be indebted to you. Sorry. Hola, Chomo is chasing me. Oh, my body is haunting me. Oh, my body is haunting me. Hey, I'll confess. Leave me now. Leave me. My body is hot. I don't hear Momoko. My body. I will confess. Leave me. I will confess. Leave me. I will confess.
Go ahead and confess.
Yes. Hey, Usonwa, my love. Usonwa. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for everything I've done to you. Honestly, it was not in my doing. My father caused it. Let me. Yes, I'll say it. My father caused it. It was my father. My father is always comparing me with you. Always comparing me. Telling me you're better than I am. That I am nothing but iti pataka, iti boribo. That was why I was jealous. And when it came as well, all of them filled my head with so much. I could not bear it. That was why I did what I did. Yes, I lied against you and opened the hair. About the fish, I killed your parents. I killed your mother, I killed your father, I killed your brother. Hello! Because I want everybody to believe what I said was true. I did it. Let me kill my parents. Leave me. That was why I went to poison you people's water. All of them drank it and they died. I was so happy. Leave me.
Ijoma, you killed my brother.
I killed everybody. I'm a killer. Yes, I'm a killer. Sorry. Please forgive me.
Killer.
Oh no, Another. Come on, God. Stop speaking English. Come on.
Evil child. The youth of this community will take you to the evil forest. Where spirits will suffer the consequences of your action.
Yes. Leave me.
Emeka.
Hey. Chokobe, is this you?
Yes.
Hey.
Can I sit?
Please sit. Chokobe.
Thank you.
You are not looking so beautiful.
Thanks. Actually, how are you?
As you can see, I manage, I'm not going to judge. We are trying our best. Huh?
Okay, it's fine. I actually came to tell you that I'm done with the cooking school and I'm now studying business.
Business?
Yes.
Chinek.
And in Chem 2, she's now a graduate.
A graduate? You are even speaking very well now. Smelling
very
good
nice.
And everything.
Thank you.
I am impressed. I must confess, I am impressed.
Thank you very much.
You're
and
welcome.
Another thing is about the prank about being pregnant. I hope you forgive us.
I don't want to have already forgiven you guys.
You've forgiven us?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So how are you doing?
Like I said, my dear, we are trying our best to
Hope you've eaten.
I've really missed, to be sincere. I used to eat, but I really miss those full of salad, those rice. In those days, I'm really missing them. I'm telling you the
So
truth.
you want me to get some for you?
If you can, though, if you get out like a graduate,
Yeah.
there is
I don't
the way
love that smell.
No, I can even. No, I can. Sorry for doing that.
Easy,
Sorry for doing that. Sorry for doing that. Hey, I'm really looking good.
That means you don't feed well.
I don't. My dear, frustration, do thinking all that. Hey.
Sorry.
You're welcome, my dear.
Don't worry, I'll still check up on you.
Please do.
Probably get you some good food.
Better. Those and salad, all those rice and stew, all that.
Alright, I'll be on my way.
Okay, let me see you.
No, don't worry, enjoy. Just relax so you gain weight.
No, it's not like that.
No, don't worry. You're too slim now. Just relax.
Let me just see. Is it not? Am I not? Is it not?
Don't worry, it's fine. Don't worry.
Hi.
Relax.
You're looking so sexy and all.
Thank you.
Yeah, look at what well, Emeka, look at you lost it. Time! My God!
Emeka.
See, person now. My brother, only this year shoe alone, you go pay for all the whole bag waiting for this room. Child! See, man,
you will never change, Emeka.
You will leave city. Claim to be poor simply because you don't want to marry the woman your father asked you to marry. You don't change. Ha!
The truth is, money is not everything in this life.
Money and everything. You see that way? You see this very one now? Now, big man language with that one. You don't feel deceive me with that one.
Emeka. Listen, have you ever thought of going to the city? I mean, going to school, starting up a business there. I mean, living a life over there and leaving this village for good.
That is, I should leave my 2 machines and go to the city for school and education. For education and job.
Yes.
My brother, that is now just follow you now at the good city.
Of course, that's what I want. I came here to let you know that, I've got plans for you.
What did I come here to do? You hear my name saying Emeka village? Am I the owner of this village? Or am I the one in charge of this village deity?
I don't know.
My brother, he feel a city here I come. Alright,
grab your bag.
Babe.
Hey.
You're
How
back.
you doing? Yeah.
Hope you had a good day.
Yeah, I did. What's going on?
You want to say this?
What's this?
You want to see?
Of course.
Go ahead, open up.
All right. Babe. It says you're pregnant with a set of twins.
Yes.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, my love. Wow. I'm going to have a set of twins.
Yeah, a boy and a girl.
Awesome. All right.
The car.
Oh, yes.
The
car I came with. I actually got it for you. Mm-hmm.
You got a car for me?
Yes.
The car is mine?
Babe.
You got a car for me? Oh, my God, thank you so much. Thank you. You got a car for me?
Yes, of course. And that's not
Thank you.
all.
This is so beautiful.
Babe.
Oh my gosh. I What?
I love you so much.
I know.
All right?
I love you too.
And I can't imagine life without you by my side forever. And so, I
I want to spend forever with you. Will you marry me? Huh?
Yes. Yes, I will marry you. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
Yeah.
This is...
You actually came in today.
I will marry you.
Hey, big boy.
We have you.
How are you? I'm fine, Dad.
Son?
Yes, Dad.
How are you?
I'm fine, Dad.
Guess what?
What's that?
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? Another surprise. What's going on?
We have a brand new house at Kata Kata Estate.
What?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, thank you so much, Dad. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Yes.
Ha! I've got to I'm going to leave this house.
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you so much, Mom.
Whoa! Mom.
I know you like it. Thank you so much.
Dad, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That you down on my